dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome you all for today's EVS online class. I hope you have watched the EVS introductory video which was sent to you, where you could see and get information about rainy creatures and about our environment. So let's begin with our EVS lesson. Now I will be sharing a presentation with all of you. I hope you all are able to see the presentation. Let us begin with the lesson by doing some activity. To start with the activity, read and follow the instructions given below on the screen and do accordingly. Number 1 activity, look around your house and list the names of the things you see and write it down in your book. Yes, I hope you had looked around in your house and wrote the list of the names. The things inside the house like table, chair, pen, fan, bed, fruits, etc. Now second activity. Now you can peep out of the window and list the names of the things you see in the environment. Yes, the things you saw outside the window like trees, stone, mud, mountain, birds, animals, etc. So, all these things which you saw inside the house and outside the house are called resources. So, today we are going to learn about resources. Let's see what is the meaning of the word resources. A resource is something that can be used for a purpose or human wealth that can be used for satisfying human needs. That means the things which human beings use to fulfill or to get their basic needs what they want. Those things are called resources. These resources we find in two types. Number 1, natural resources, and number 2, man-made resources. So natural resources and man-made resources are the two types of resources. Going to the next slide. Here is a task for you. You have to look at the pictures given below carefully and state what they are called. That is, whether they are natural or man-made, or as you have learnt in first standard, living and non-living things. Yes, you might have looked at the pictures and state what they are. So some things are given by nature, whereas some are made by man. Next, here is a task or a homework for you. You have to observe the picture carefully and write the names for it in proper column. Now below, 2 columns are given where natural resource and man-made resource is written, and below that pictures are given. You have to look at the picture carefully and you have to write the name of that picture in the proper column, whether it is natural resource or a man-made resource. So, thank you children. See you in the next session where we are going to learn in detail about natural resource and man-made resources.